Hello friends! In the previous video, we saw some examples related to square numbers and their properties. In this video, we will see some misconceptions and common mistakes related to them. Let us classify the given statements as true or false. You can pause the video here and think of an answer. If you believe that this statement is true, then you must be thinking that since the number is ending with 4, this number must be a perfect square. But this logic is incorrect. Let us factorize this number. After factorizing this number, we can see that we cannot write the number 54 as the square of any whole number. Therefore, this statement is false. Let us now see the next statement. Square of the number 1987 will have 4 in its units place. True or false? You can pause the video here and think of the answer. Sometimes, many people multiply a number by 2 in order to get its square. If you multiply this number by 2, you will get 4 in the units place, which is wrong. Let us see the correct solution to this. The given number has 7 in its units place, and we know that the number 9 comes in the units place of the square of 7. This means that the number 9 will also come in the units place of the square of 1987. Therefore, this statement is false. Let us now examine this statement. You can pause the video here and think of an answer. If you have assumed this statement to be false, then you may have thought that 64 is the perfect square, and as the last digit of this number is also 0, it will be a perfect square. But this is wrong. We know that to be a perfect square, the number of zeros at the end of the number must be even. This number is ending with 3 zeros, which is not an even number. Therefore, this number is not a perfect square. Therefore, this statement is not false but true. Now look at this statement. You can pause the video here and think of an answer. If you have assumed the statement to be true, then you may have thought that the number of zeros at the end of the number is even. So, it should be a perfect square. But this is wrong. We know that the number of zeros at the end of a perfect square must be even. But it is not necessary that any number ending with even number of zeros will be a perfect square. Let us factorize the given number and see. Here, we have seen that we cannot write this given number as the square of any whole number. This number is not a perfect square. Therefore, this statement is a false statement. In this video, we saw some misconceptions and common mistakes related to square numbers and their properties. Hope you do not repeat these mistakes. Thank you.